We're at it again, going out and working. I welcome you to ride along with my ship. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. I have a lot of plans for a lot of more videos on tips and tricks. Kind of like the 2 videos ago. But anyhow, today's has improved. We had a lot of thunderstorms and rain yesterday. Much needed to clear out the atmosphere. It's refueling a little bit, but it's more in the atmosphere than it is ground level. But there is still a slight haze. We are under a code orange for air quality control stuff, alerts. Still not optimal. But as you can see, it's nothing like it was the day that I went to Kennywood. So, we're going to go out. We're going to work. I would love to have a repeat of yesterday. And you know, it's one of those days that I was getting really good orders. And the whole time I'm thinking, why don't I have my GoPro? Why aren't I filming this? I should be filming this. But just to let you know what I did yesterday, it was mostly Uber Eats. And a majority of my earnings was Uber Eats. Very surprising. And I had a couple curbside Uber Eats for Walmart. I did a couple actual Spark orders. But I worked for 5 hours yesterday. And I made $172 for 5 hours. That was pretty darn good. Very busy. And I think it had to do with the storms, the rain, the thundering, all that stuff. People didn't want to leave their house. Today, we're supposed to have nice weather. No rain, no thunderstorms, nothing like that. So, let's get the app booted up. Let's get on the road and see if we can make some decent money. I am getting a late start. Let me take a look here. Yes, it's 1 p.m. So, I don't plan on staying out real long. This might even be a short video. Who knows? Because I'm looking around my house and finding all kinds of house projects. I roll. Okay, let's get going. So, this is what the cart is looking like. Customer A, customer B. That shop was not easy. It estimated that this whole thing would take an hour and 15 minutes. It's closer to an hour and 45 minutes that this whole thing's going to take. Maybe even an hour and a half. Because I had to wait around the makeup case because they have everything locked up. And one of the customers wanted some eyeliner. Or not eyeliner, eyebrow pencil. That was locked up. Apparently, this Walmart has an issue with theft. So, I had to wait around like a good 10 or 15 minutes. And, you know, that just kind of killed my shopping time there. After that, you know, crowded aisles and low stock on a lot of stuff. I have a lot of substitutions in this order too. I mean, it's making me think twice about why am I doing Spark this afternoon. And where are are the stock boys to keep things in stock. You know, years ago, you always saw stock boys around. You always saw stock boys around, restocking the shelves. Where are they nowadays? So this took 3 trips. This is the final trip. So now we got that one dropped off. The second customer is 18 minutes away. Okay, this order here that I just took, it's going to take me a good 18 minutes or so to get back to Walmart. But I took it because it's only 11 items. Very easy. Low miles to the customer. And just trying to keep the wheels moving. Trying to keep money coming in. I don't have any kind of set goal for today. This is just a ride along. Ride along with me. Oh, there's a $5 incentive pay on this order also, so add $5 to that 18 and some change. A couple substitutions and a shit ton of refunds. In addition to the tip that they left in the app, they gave me an additional $4. So, and in the store, they added the eggs to their order. So the order, my pay went up to $20 and some change, plus a $5 incentive, plus this cash tip that turned out to be a $29 order. So, was this worth it for almost an hour? Yeah, it was, I guess. Switching gears a little bit, because I didn't see anything on Walmart worth taking, and I'm getting hungry. I don't feel like taking one of them long routes. If I wasn't hungry, I probably would. But we are picking up at Fat Angelo's on DoorDash. Here's the card. Hello, DoorDash for Shantae.
DoorDash. Yeah, I got one.
Hello. Pick up for Colleen. Okay, thank you. Who's winning? What's that? They're tied. Oh. It is 5:52 p.m. And guess what, folks? I am starved. When I say I'm starved, I'm starved. I'm so hungry. I was gonna go home and make myself something to eat at home. But if I do that, I already know I'm not coming back out working anymore. And I do want to work a little bit longer tonight. So I'm actually, after doing that one shopping order, that all the chicken was sold out and had to refund everything that was, you know, hot and ready chicken at Walmart. Made me hungry for chicken. So I think I'm just gonna go to KFC, get some dinner, and then come back out. My belly's a rumbling. Okay, I'm done eating. I already declined a DoorDash order. Upside down order. I wasn't doing that. I've got Uber Eats going. And I logged back into Spark. I mean, it's showing red. The Walmart. I don't want to do any shopping tonight. I'm all shopped out. And I forgot the effects of turkey and chicken. Turkey's a little bit worse, but it was good, but I'm a little bit drowsy, a little bit tired. I'm going to be looking for curbside. Nothing too crazy. Let's see, what does Uber have? Oh no, I'm not going to Brownsville either. 1709. 26, almost 27 miles? No. Okay, DoorDash is coming in with an order. Ha ha ha! That's funny! $4.95. I don't care if it's going 1 mile. I don't have to make any more money tonight. I would like to. I don't have to. But I'm going to sit here and decline, and I'll be back when I have something decent. I actually got something. And it's right here. It's not great. Miles seem high. But apps are going crazy now. No. Not worth it to me. So I'm going to end Dash, because I think this Walmart order, curbside, what I was looking for, is going to be my last order. And I'm closing all the other apps. So let's go to Walmart and get this picked up. I changed my mind. I'm tired. You know, I ate that chicken and I needed to eat something. But now that I did, I'm like totally done. It's almost 7 p.m. So I'm gonna go home. Thanks for watching and riding along today. Every dash, every mile, it all adds up. Subscribe if you're chasing that hustle too. And I will see you in the next one.